Hello and welcome to Wise First. Are you tired of working long hours for a measly paycheck? Are you looking for a way to make passive income while you are sleeping? Then you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make passive income using the power of AI technology. One of the most profitable ways to make passive income is by creating a product that sells itself. But what kind of product, you ask? Well, we stumbled upon a lucrative niche on Amazon: children's storybooks. Simple yet effective. But here's the catch. We are not going to write the book ourselves. We are going to let ChatGPT and MidJourney AI do the work for us. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate a story outline, while MidJourney AI can create stunning illustrations based on your story prompts. And the best part, you don't need any prior writing or illustration skills. Let's start with the story outline. Simply, give ChatGPT a prompt, such as a children's scientific adventure book, and it will generate a list of chapter ideas. You can tweak and modify the prompts until you're happy with the storyline. Next, we need to add illustrations to bring the story to life. With MidJourney AI, you can generate original and stunning artwork in seconds. Simply type in your story prompts, and the AI will create a variety of images that match your description. You can choose to upscale or modify the images until you find the perfect fit. Once you have your story outline and illustrations, it's time to put it all together and publish your book on Amazon. Using Amazon KDP, you can publish your book for free and earn royalties on every sale. The more sales you make, the more passive income you will earn. But how do you make sure your book stands out in a crowded market? Well, you can use ChatGPT to generate compelling book blurbs and descriptions that will entice potential buyers. And with the help of MidJourney AI, you can create eye-catching book covers that will make your book stand out from the rest. Once your book is published, it is time to promote it. You can create social media ads using ChatGPT to generate engaging captions and MidJourney AI to create stunning graphics. With the right marketing strategy, you can drive more traffic to your book page and increase your sales. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make massive income using the power of AI technology. With ChatGPT and MidJourney AI, you can create a profitable business that runs on autopilot. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your own children's storybook today and start earning passive income while you sleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.